David.
Hey, Cindy. We had a little bit of a respite yesterday. Compliments of a lot of cloud cover, a lot of rain, but now we are looking at business as usual, and that means heat, that means humidity, and that means storms. Have a nice little storm in parts of North Georgia. We'll take a look at that one, but you can also see where sliding through the valley from northwest to southeast, we have some pretty decent showers that are working their way through Hamilton County as well as trying to work into western Bradley County also. But this is really the one that has been producing not just really heavy rain from Summerville up to Tryon, but also looks like it's been producing heavy lightning, and also I'm not even ruling out where we may have seen some hail around Summerville. Now this is when you get into these purple shadings, that's where it's possible we may be getting a little hail developing in this storm. We can even look back in history over the past hour and see where this is called a hail swath. This is where, as the storm system moved to the southeast, it actually developed and dropped hail out of it. So that is actually where we likely have seen hail developing in that storm. So we're keeping an eye on that. Not looking at any tornadoes, just heavy rain, lightning, and slight risk at this point we may be getting a little bit of hail with it as well. Hey, a big thank you to Charles PETTYJOHN. This is a tufted titmouse in Dalton, and what a gorgeous, gorgeous shot that is. And you can see the little tuft of hair on top of its head, so named, right? If you have a cool picture, you can send that into weather@local3news.com. I love getting them. I love sharing them and showing them off on air. See the space station. You can do it tonight, 9:54. It'll be partly cloudy, so you'll probably be able to see it. It's going to be visible for 5 minutes, 9:54 Eastern Time. You just look 10 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. It will disappear 24 degrees above the south-southeast horizon. Our headlines, muggy, low to mid-90s for your Wednesday. We're talking a high of 95 in Chattanooga. And then after that, Thursday through the weekend into next week, we're going to settle into about 90 degrees Thursday on through the weekend and again into the first half of next week at least. And every day we're going to have a chance of scattered showers and storms. So our Holiday Inn downtown camera looking at a partly cloudy sky, 85 degrees, some nice rain-cooled air in the city, and you can see at the airport where we do have some showers going on right now. We took a look at those a moment ago. Still though, look at that 2.76. Feels like 95 degrees. It is muggy outside. 89 in Cleveland, it's 88 Athens, clinging to the 90s in Dayton, 91 and 90 in Blue Ridge. And there are your heat indices, as we call them, 97 in Dalton, 96 Cleveland, and 95 in Athens. Think that's something? How about Dallas? Sporting 102, 99 in Tulsa, 92 in Little Rock, and that's where the hottest air is to our west. But we're getting enough leftover so that we're going to stay nice and toasty here in this scenic city as well. Our clouds and radar, a little more expanded view, not showing much out there, but boy, take a look to our south. Heavy rain, heavy thunderstorms, light show with all the lightning from Louisiana stretching all the way along the coast into the Florida Panhandle. Here in the Tennessee Valley, our Futurecast showing not too much going on as we move through the evening hours. We're going to see storms out there now beginning to fade away, and then tomorrow we'll see a few more flaring up of the rain chance at 20% for tomorrow. Thursday, we'll call it 30% chance of some scattered showers and storms. You can see a front to our northwest. Ahead of that, basically the same thing. Notice the southerly winds. We're going to have partly to mostly cloudy skies on Friday. Each day we may see a few showers and storms in the afternoon, and that includes Saturday, Sunday, and beyond. So tonight, warm, muggy, partly cloudy, maybe a shower or two, but the chance really low. Storm Alert 7-day forecast, keeping the rain chance in at about 20 to 30%. And after the high of 95 tomorrow, we're really going to settle into highs right around where they should be. 91 is the average high, and that's pretty much what we're going to see with that rain chance staying at about 30% each and every afternoon.